Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of September 26, 2023. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product adder.
And I'm Mason, the inventory specialist.
So without further ado, let's get started.
Alright, first thing we're going to talk about today is a collection that we have on sale. The collection that we're talking about that's on sale is the French Revolution from Northcott. This is also having the French Chains kit, which is 50% off. It's regularly priced at $78.96, but we have it on sale for you at $39.48. So a huge sale on that. We have 1 yard cuts that are $9.96, of course. This collection brings drama with rich florals, painterly textures, and striking color. So if you like to look at this collection and everything that comes with it, declare your independence from full prices using Northcott's French Revolution.
Next we have a collection from Northcott. This is Fox Den. This is featuring 108-inch wide backings, 24-inch panels, patterns, leash on life quilt kits, and the full collection of yardage. We've got patterns of foxes, trees, plaids, and textures in colors of blue, orange, brown, and beige. So make sure to bring the wilderness to your quilting space with Fox Den.
Next collection we have is one from Henry Glass. This is the Pinecone Ridge Lodge. This is a very festive collection, very wintry-esque. This cozy crew flew out in pre-sale, so make sure that you are trying to get it. I know we are very, very low on what we have available, but we are featuring the 24-inch panel, the 24-inch block panel, as well as some assorted yardage, just whatever we have left. The patterns of this collection are critters such as bears, moose, owls, raccoons, cardinals, and there's also some plaids in there in colors of red, white, and black. So make sure to bundle up with Pinecone Ridge Lodge from Henry Glass.
We know y'all love Kaffe, so buckle up for this fall 2025 Kaffe Fassett collective from Free Spirit. This is featuring the static quilt kit, the warm version, as well as the cool version of the static quilt kit. And then we have warm pre-cuts of 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, and 2.5-inch strips. And then we have cool pre-cuts of 10-inch squares and 5-inch squares, as well as the assorted yardage. We have patterns of florals, leaves, bubbles, and zipper stripes in colors of blue, green, red, purple, neutral, black, and white. So make your project pop with personality using Kaffe Fassett Collective Fall 2025.
Next collection we're going to talk about is one from Raleigh Blake. This is the 2x2 collection. So we're talking about Noah's Ark here. This is featuring the 108-inch wide backing that is still on pre-order, but it'll be in soon. Fat Quarter Bundles, 5-inch stackers, the panel quilt kit, the felt book panel, 35-inch panels, and as well as the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are Noah's Ark, animals, 2 of each of course, stripes, rainbows, rain, and branches in colors of blue, green, yellow, orange, white, and cream. So make sure to blend faith and imagination with 2x2 from Raleigh Blake.
Buckle up, we got a huge bundle. We're talking 52 fat quarters. This is Lori Holt's Americana Fat Quarter Bundle from Raleigh Blake. We got it behind us. It's massive. It's the size of our heads, basically. The regular price is $191.96. And we have it on sale for $89.96.
Steal.
It's a steal. This bundle delivers all the colors and charm you love in one mega set. So make sure to grab this deal for a steal.
These dang spiders. All right, next thing we're gonna talk about is a kit that we are gonna talk about that is a hot pre-order. This is the Lucky Jacks quilt kit. This is featuring Abandoned 2, and Monochrome from Free Spirit. The kits are scheduled to ship between October and November of this year. They're priced at $166.96 each. So make sure to hit the jackpot by pre-ordering the Lucky Jacks quilt kit from Free Spirit.
As always, we talk about these every week. This is our 1 yard cut, so we have to talk about them because y'all eat them up like hotcakes. These are $9.96 each. We're adding new prints all of the time. These are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to grab. There's no cutting table required for either you or us, so we can get it right out the door as soon as you order it. Multiples will not be continuous, but each one's a little gem on their own. So if you get 3 1 yard cuts, they're gonna be 3 individual 1 yard cuts, not 3 1 yard cut. So make sure to buzz on over to our website to check out our 1 yard cuts.
All right, next we're gonna do our comment of the week. This is where we read a comment from last week's show to read on this week's show. And this week we have Margaret, and she says, "What a great selection of fabrics, great show. My favorite is Sunflower Whispers. It looks like it could be made to have a spring or fall look. Well, it's funny you say that, Margaret. Well, first off, we want to say thank you for your comment. We very much appreciate it. And thank you for watching these episodes. But it's funny you say that. I said the same thing. It got left out in the video, and that's all right. We just had to cut it up to make it short enough and not make it too long. But I said the exact same thing. Could easily be used for either one of those seasons.
I can attest he did say it.
So, and now you got Margaret also saying it. So, I mean, anybody out there that maybe was thinking it could only be a fall look, you could easily use that thing for a spring look as well. If you have any spring projects that you got going on that you need to add something to, then maybe look at Sunflower Whispers from Riley Blake.
These freaking webs don't stay, and it's annoying.
It is very annoying.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified every single time we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment. You might be featured on Comment of the Week. Who really knows? Also, make sure to follow us on social media. Links are in the description. That's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, also YouTube. Without all that being said, we will see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching.
See ya.